Do you guys know what time it is? It's time to install all the parts on the Aprilia. Woo! Oh, it's looking good. Now, there's only one thing. I'm still waiting for the gasket for the clutch cover, so I cannot install the lower part on this side just yet. But everything else from the face, the gas tank, and the rear tail, and the whole left side, that all can be installed. So, let's just get to it. What are we waiting for? All of these parts are waiting to be on this bike, and we can finally see what this bike will look like completed. Oh, few months in the making, and today is the day, guys, that we get to see this bike finally take its shape and form that it's gonna live with forever. I'm excited. Are you excited? She's excited. First, we gotta move the S1K, get her out of the way, so that way I can reach my tools a little bit easier. I think right here will be fine. Yep, so if I walk here, got it, walk here. Let's go, guys. I am excited. Finally get to see the Aprilia and it's all of its glory. And it's gonna look so pretty next to the S1K. It's gonna look so cool. Imagine both bikes side by side. Oh, it's gonna be so freaking sick. All right, stop talking and get to it. Okay, now I gotta just remember, did I take off the gas tank first or did I do the side fairings first? I do not remember at all since we did take this thing apart such a long time ago. I think the gas tank goes on first. By the looks of it, it's got a few clips here and there, and I'm assuming bearings cover it. So I'm probably gonna work on the gas tank first, and then we can start working around. Oh, by the way, you guys probably didn't see this, but we got a beautiful carbon fiber piece for both sides to give it that nice, elegant, luxurious look. Just look at that carbon. I'm telling you guys, this thing is going to be sick. All right, let's put this bad boy on. Now, we need to plug it in. Oh. Where's the first one go? This thing probably goes into one of those. Now, do we have a second one? I think I installed this wrong. Oh, don't tell me that. Where do these two go? I do not remember. Down, all the way. You know, they just fit way too well. I'm like 99% sure that's where it goes. I'm a genius. Man, this is perfect. Now we're talking. I'm pretty sure there's another one that goes here, but again, unorganized Elliot. Who knows where I put it? This is what we'll do. We'll do this. It seems like it fits in there. I don't know. Oh my God. This is going to be a long day, I guarantee you. That's how the whole entire, if that's how 3 bolts, I'm speechless. This is going to be a long day, a long day. S1K was the same way, because your boy, he is unorganized. All right, now let's find the bolts and bolt down the gas tank, and then we can move on to the next piece. Gas tank is now on, nice and tight. Perfect, we can move on to installing this cap portion, and then yeah, that's good. And then we'll move on to the tailpiece. Gonna be a good hand tight. Boom, done. That looks good. Nice and flush. I like it. On the black, that looks perfecto. Gas tank is complete. Completely installed. Everything's good. So I want to say let's move on to the tailpiece. Oh, my bad, you guys saw a screwdriver. But let's move on to the tailpiece. I'll have to unstrap it and then strap it lower so that way I can put my plastic fairings up, and that's it. It's looking good, guys. I don't like that. I think this has to be double-sided taped. Yeah, probably does. We'll worry about that later. I need to install the lock. Okay, now I believe the lock, yep, right here. Okay, let's put this guy back. Nothing like a spacer? Okay, well, just plastic, so I guess it doesn't really need it. Oh yeah, look at that, it's perfect. Okay. Still wobbly. I forgot this thing. Oh, all right. I was like, something feels off. Oh, come on, wait. Now you tightened it way too hard. Now that makes sense. Wait. No, that's good. I'm good. Don't worry, guys. I'm a professional. I know what I'm doing. Sometimes. Oh, that already feels way tighter. That's what she said. You know, it'd be cool if I had the right tools. And I do have the right tools. You know, it'd be even better if I use them. After my greasy monkey hands have touched every single part of this fairing already, time to put it back. Boom. That's good. Okay. And this kind of goes like that. Oh, no way. Did this have to go before the gas tank? I think it did. No! Ah! Frickin' Elliot. Now I gotta unscrew the gas tank. Oh yeah, we're so back. Easy. And then this side lines up. Which bolts went where? Okay, these ones look like fairing bolts because fairing bolts have that little, see that spacer, I guess you want to call it, already on the bolt. That is where the plastic lines up and then it pushes against here. So these are fairing bolts. And they're small, so I'm assuming they go here. And my assumption was correct. And then up here, I'm just gonna hand tighten these for now. Okay, before moving on, always check your work. So let's see if that lock works. Everything is working flawlessly. So now we can continue with covering all that parts. Because last thing you wanna do is put your seat on, put all the fairings on, and then find out you did an awful job of assembling. Happens all the time, to the worst of us, not the best. That took way longer. This tail was a pain in the buttocks to install, but we got it all tied together. That's why you guys were watching a time lapse and I wasn't talking much, but this thing is on. So now we just got to put the rear seat on and it's gonna look complete. Or is it I don't know. I don't know which one goes first. That seat or this one? We're about to find out. This guy's supposed to say clip down, Oh, I think it was just the wire. Yeah. Okay, cool. That goes like that. Then this part. It shouldn't be that hard to push down, so why is it? Definitely not be that much force. So much work. But it is looking so good. Just look at that, all blacked out. I think that looks nice. That looks super cool. Okay, now we boom, boom. Simple. I went and purchased black screws for all of the fairings because I think that would look clean. And honestly, perfect choice. Because you can't even see the black ones inside here. I'm not sure what color they were before because I was missing a lot of them. That's why I bought a whole a kit. It's probably one of my most favorite parts of a build is assembling the whole entire bike. The rear tail is complete. Fully completed rear tail. This is looking freaking good. So again, guys, there's gonna be some gold right here. There's gonna be the little Italian, whatever anniversary sticker. There's gonna be the decals here. So it's kind of break it up a little bit. We're gonna have multiple colors on it. It's gonna look good, trust it. I'm gonna put the face on and then I'll work on the side fairings. Or do I have to do side fairings first and then the face? Don't know. We'll move on to the face. Yeah. Okay. That's so crazy. They're like, yeah, here you go. Put into this hole. But good luck. Oh, see, now it's breaking this thing. Oh my gosh, do not do that. Yep. Why does it have to be so tight and so, oh my God. Yeah, we just snapped this thing. Yeah, dude, you're pushing and it's not doing anything. Okay, you try to go to an angle. Angle doesn't do anything. Nothing works. That was way too tight. That should not be that tight. Now that we got this going. Perfect. It's not too bad. You just need a lot of patience for this kind of work, honestly. You drop bolts, you lose screwdrivers, you can't find the right bolts, you can't find the right clips, and it's just so much work. But it is so rewarding at the end when you look at your project and you're like, man, I did that, you know what I mean? So it's pretty cool. Such a different vibe from the S1K. You know what I mean? We'll see. Hopefully it looks good. Oh, the glossy black screws on the satin white. Oh, that looks so good. Oh my gosh, that looks so good. But with the black windscreen, this thing looks so clean, and the nice little glossy new bolts. Oh, this thing is just freshening up so nice. I like just the one red seat. I think that's cool. It kind of reminds me of the 2009 Yamaha R6. The white with the red seat, if you guys know what I'm talking about, the special edition one. That's the kind of vibe it's giving me right now. Dang, this thing is turning out so cool. I love it. I freaking love it. is done too. Simple. There we go. The bottom half is done too. So we will be adding the little decals. They have like these big red decals. I'll be adding those as well. But guys, she is basically complete on one side. This is the vision that I had in mind. I think it looks pretty cool. Got the white coming in this way. We got the glossy black going that way. And of course, we're gonna have either black or red decals. I'm still not sure. It's gonna have like the Aprilia, the A, and some little decals here. We're gonna have the knee guards probably here. We're gonna have the anniversary sticker here. And then we're gonna have the more of the decals right here. But the bike looks sick. Look at that. It's just menacing. The white looks really cool. I'm truly happy. I think it turned out pretty sick. But okay, yeah, even the carbon pieces look nice and tight. I thought we would need double-sided tape, but everything just compressed it very nicely. So that's cool. But yeah. Wow. That is very awful. So, change of plans. We are not using those mirrors. They look so bad. Oh, I'm kind of mad because I paid a good amount of money for them, but it's fine. I am probably not gonna do those smears, that's for sure. But we will figure out something. Maybe I'll just get some covers, or maybe I'll get like the OEM mirrors. I don't know yet. We'll figure something out with the mirrors. Because the S1K, it looks really nice with those, but it did not look good on this bike. So, yeah. Anyways, she is almost complete, you guys. As soon as that gasket comes in and all the decals come in, she will be 100%. Like, this is pretty cool. It looks good in my opinion. Just imagine all of the decals. It's gonna break everything up. The gold pinstriping. It's going to look sick. But yeah, let me know. Let me know in the comments what you guys think. If you guys like this new look, or if I should have done something different, or are you guys still gonna be trusting the process and wait for the final finished project? But yeah, I am happy that it's finally in this stage and we're almost ready to ride it, guys. So sick. These two bikes right next to each other. It's just so dope. All right, guys. Well, thank you so much for watching again. If you guys can, like, share, and subscribe. And yeah, as always, stay blessed.